Welcome to Cracking the Code of International Trade. Let's decode ECCN. Under the United States Export Administration Regulations, ECCN is the acronym for Export Control Classification Number. It is a 5-character code that helps determine if they must apply for an export license from the U.S. Department of Commerce's Bureau of Industry and Security, or BIS. Most hardware, software, and technology falls under the jurisdiction of BIS and the Export Administration Regulations unless it is specifically designed for military use or some other U.S. department or agency. If it does, exporters should check the Commerce Control List found in the regulations to determine if their items have that 5-character ECCN classification. If an item has an ECCN code, the Commerce Control List will identify the specific reason or reasons the item is controlled. It may be for anti-terrorism reasons, nuclear non-proliferation reasons, or one of several other options. Using that reason for control, exporters can then check the Commerce Country Chart to see if they must apply for a license from BIS before they can export their hardware, software, or technology to a particular country. Not all items have an ECCN classification. If they do not, they are considered to be EAR 99, which means they are less likely to require an export license. But keep in mind that the ECCN classification of a good is not the only reason an exporter may need to apply for a license. The end use and end user of the item also determines if a license is required. We explain all this in more detail in our free guide, How to Determine If You Need an Export License, which I've linked below. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more quick explanations of international trade acronyms and deeper dives into key export documentation and compliance topics, including this video that goes into more details about the Export Administration Regulations. See you next time.